Hi viewers, this is Manas Varanasi, co-founder of Bikkgane Biryani. Thanks for your response on previous video. If you haven't seen the video yet, the link is given in below description. Today I am going to show you how to make Hyderabadi Mutton Dum Biryani, which is also called as Kache Ghost Ka Biryani. We'll show you the easiest process such that you can make at your home. First of all, we need to have fresh fried onions which are fried and dried. Take a bowl of coriander leaves, ginger garlic paste, mint leaves, salt, turmeric powder, ghee, lemon and red chili powder, cloves, sajira, kasuri methi, ilachi powder, star anise javitri powder, dalchini powder. Take a bowl of curd. Now take mutton of 1 kg. Normally mutton biryani we prefer lamb of 8 to 10 kgs. Now take a handi. Add 1 kg mutton, 3 tablespoons of chili powder, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 3 tablespoons of salt, 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of star anise and javitri powder, 2 tablespoons of ilachi powder, 2 tablespoons of dalchini powder, sajira, kasuri methi, mint leaves, (150 grams of fresh fried onion), (100 ml of oil), fresh juice of lemon. Now mix well such that mutton gets flavors of spices. Leave it aside for 30 minutes. Then add bowl of curd which will tenderize the meat. Normally for a mutton to get tender, at least keep 1 hour aside. Now take a vessel with water, add some javitri, star anise, cinnamon stick, cloves, ilachi, bay leaf, sajira, add some mint leaves. Adding this to water makes your rice more flavorful. Now add some oil to it such that rice gets shiny and won't get sticky. Add some salt to the water. Always make sure that the salt content is higher side because once we add the rice it absorbs the salt. Now wait till the water starts boiling. This is a time where you need to add rice which is already soaked for 1 hour to get good yield and length. Now let's wait till rice cooks for almost 70 to 80%. Check the salt level, it should taste like seawater. Now take a glass of hot water, mix it well with mutton biryani masala. Now the rice is cooked for 70%. Always make sure when we are taking the rice, first layer of rice should be a bit harder. Try to drain the water as much as possible. Spread the rice evenly. For the second layer, take the rice which is cooked up to 80 to 85%. Add 1 tablespoon of sajira. For the third layer, rice should be cooked till 90%. Now add some mint leaves, fried onion, milk mixed with saffron. Now take atta dough, spread it uniformly across the borders of the handi. Make sure there is no air leakage from the vessel. Cook on high flame for 10 minutes. Cook on high flame with tawa for 10 minutes. Cook on low flame with tawa for 20 minutes. Leave it on the stove for 15 minutes such that handi gets dum. Now I can feel the aroma of biryani, and also I can see the texture of rice which is looking good. You can add ghee here. Masala is cooked so well, we can't see even a single drop of water. Now freshly homemade Hyderabadi mutton biryani is ready to eat.